I need to tell you something about the card you're using right now. That debit card, the one you swipe for coffee, groceries, and online shopping, is fundamentally different from a credit card. It's different in a way that could cost you everything. Not just money. Your rent, your bills, your ability to buy food while you wait for your bank to investigate. We're going to break down exactly why one small piece of plastic is so much riskier than the other, and what you can do about it today. When you swipe a debit card, money leaves your bank account immediately, right now. This second. It's your money, your rent, your emergency fund, your grocery budget, moving in real time. A credit card works differently. You're borrowing the card issuer's money. Credit cards create a buffer zone. The fraud happens on the issuer's balance sheet first. If someone compromises your debit card, they're not just stealing future payments, they're stealing the money you need tomorrow. Your account balance drops, checks bounce, automatic payments fail. With debit, your money is gone immediately, and getting it back is a waiting game. Banks investigate. They file reports. They need time, days, sometimes weeks. During that investigation, you don't have access to those funds. You can't pay rent, you can't buy groceries, you're locked out of your own money. Credit cards flip this script. Most issuers give you a provisional credit within days, sometimes immediately. You dispute the charge, they remove it from your bill, and you never pay it while they investigate. But there's a clock ticking. Federal law gives you strong protections. If you report debit fraud within 2 days, your liability caps at $50. Wait longer, and that cap jumps to $500. Miss the 60-day window entirely, and you could be liable for everything. Most fraud doesn't happen at the register anymore. It happens online, where your card is not present. A thief doesn't need your physical card, just the number, expiration, and CVV. They test stolen numbers on small purchases, then scale up fast. Then there are skimmers and shimmers, tiny devices thieves install on ATMs and gas pumps. They read your card data. Worse, they capture your PIN when you use a debit card. That PIN is the key to your account. Debit fraud doesn't just steal money, it triggers a cascade. Your account balance drops. Suddenly, automatic payments bounce. Your phone bill, your insurance, your streaming services. Each failed payment adds an overdraft fee, return payment fees, late fees from merchants. The fraud compounds. Your credit score can take hits from late payments you never intended to miss. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. It's Friday night. Someone tests your debit card with a small charge, $2 at a gas station across the country. You don't notice. Saturday morning, they know the card works. Within hours, they hit electronic stores, online retailers, and cash advance services. By Saturday night, your checking account is empty. You discover it Sunday. You call your bank Monday morning. They open an investigation. They tell you it will take 7 to 10 business days, maybe longer. Your rent is due Wednesday. Card not present fraud has grown faster than any other type. Online transactions are the primary target. The numbers are staggering, billions in losses every year, and the trend is accelerating. So what do? First, separate your spending from your savings. Use a credit card for everyday purchases, groceries, gas, online shopping. Pay it off in full every month. Keep your debit card linked to a low-balance checking account, not your main savings. Second, turn on every control your bank and card issuer offers. Real-time transaction alerts, per-transaction limits, the ability to freeze your card instantly from an app. Use them. Authentication is non-negotiable. Unique passwords for every financial account. Use a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication, but not SMS if you can avoid it. Use authenticator apps or hardware keys. When you shop online, never use your debit card on unfamiliar sites. Use virtual card numbers if your issuer offers them. Privacy-focused services and tokenized wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay add another layer. Never use a debit card with a PIN at a gas pump. Skimmers are rampant there. If the pump looks tampered with or the card reader feels loose, go inside and pay. If you must use debit, do it only in controlled environments. ATM withdrawals at your own bank's branch. If you're targeted, speed matters. Within 60 minutes of discovering fraud, do this. Freeze your card through your app or call your issuer immediately. Dispute every fraudulent charge while you're on the phone. Change your online banking password and security questions right then. Screenshot everything: your account, the fraudulent transactions, timestamps. File an FTC identity theft report online. Long-term, build a fraud-resilient routine. Every quarter, review your security settings. Check your credit report for accounts you didn't open. Enable credit monitoring. Practice assume breach thinking. Act as if your credentials are already compromised and layer your defenses accordingly. The difference between a debit card and a credit card isn't just technical, it's existential. One gives thieves direct access to your life. The other gives you time, leverage, and protection. You don't have to stop using debit entirely, but you do need to understand what you're risking every time you swipe it. Use credit for spending. Keep debit locked down, stay alert, move fast when something's wrong. Your money is yours to protect, and now you know how. Like and subscribe for more.